weather all summer long. It's Tuesday, July 27th. Wepa! Guys, it's gonna be another scorcher. It's hot as fuck today. It's 86 degrees. It's supposed to be about 61, 63% humidity. But tonight, it's gonna be about 70 degrees. But it's gonna be humidity. That's right, it's gonna go up to about 75%. But it's okay because you know what? I got you if your air conditioner breaks and you call, oh Louis, can you fix my AC? Of course we'll fix your AC. But do you know today is National Onion Day? So what does that mean? If you fucking apestoso, you smell like culo, well no problem, I got you. Oh shit! You know what this is? It's a cara condom. In case you don't know what that is, that means it's a fucking face condom. So call Louis the Boy Man, 516-377-5200. Woo!